Here's how to resolve Rockstar Games Launcher error code 162. One frequent reason behind this issue is that the Steam profile name doesn't correspond with the name associated with your Rockstar Social Club account. Start by launching Steam and selecting your profile name at the top. Choose View My Profile, then open Edit Profile. Enter the General section and check your current profile name. Make sure it matches the name linked to your Rockstar account exactly. If the names are different, change the Steam profile name or disconnect and reconnect your Steam account through the Rockstar Games launcher. If both names already match but you're still experiencing the error, open File Explorer and enter your Documents folder. Locate the Rockstar Games folder and delete it entirely. Once that's done, empty your recycle bin to ensure the folder has been completely removed. Now reopen the Rockstar Games launcher. It should recreate the necessary files and start with a clean configuration, which may resolve error code 162. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more quick and straightforward tutorials on step-by-click